Hey everyone, my name is Bogdan and welcome to Acura Addicted channel, helping you to navigate in the world of automotive repairs, maintenance and reviews.
My hands are tied, and you resonate inside my bones. Don't know why I'm incapable while you're unstoppable. Some big black clouds, the unavoidable is raining down. I'm fading.
In the third episode of the 5th season of the Make Acura Great Again project, I'm gonna show you how to change spark plugs and ignition coils. You will need to change the spark plugs when the code 4 is displayed on the maintenance minder, which usually happens for MDX every 100,000 miles or 165,000 kilometers. I suggest using genuine iridium Denso or NGK spark plugs and Denso ignition coils, which you can purchase from your dealer or order from Rock Auto, which I did. The DOI video is for 2008 Acura MDX tech model, but this will also be applicable for all the trims and model years from 2007 up to 2013. Let's roll! Protect your digital life with Backblaze. Get unlimited, affordable automatic cloud backup service that secures your data effortlessly. Whether it's important documents, treasured photos, or vital business files, Backblaze keeps everything safe and accessible. With unlimited storage and easy recovery, rest easy knowing your files are protected. Sign up today and get 1 month for free using the link in the description. Here's a list of tools you need to complete this job. 6 new spark plugs, Denso or NGK, part numbers in the description. A 3/8 inch ratchet. A variety of extensions, a 3/8 inch swivel adapter, 10mm socket, a 5/8 inch socket for spark plugs, a flathead screwdriver. Optional, torque wrench if you want to properly torque your spark plugs, a flexible magnetic tool, a magnetic tray for organizing fasteners, a cordless ratchet to speed up the process, dielectric grease for spark plugs. I've also listed all the part numbers for main parts as well as optional ones in the description. First, remove the engine plastic cover, turning flat plastic screws 90 degrees counterclockwise. Pull the cover up and towards yourself. Let's begin with the rear head. Disconnect the wiring to the ignition coils by pressing on both sides of each connector. Then remove the 10mm nuts securing the coils. Removing the coils. This one doesn't look good. It's an oil, which means that the spark plug tube seal has failed and needs replacement. Next, remove the spark plugs. You will need to experiment with various extensions and swivel adapters to see what works best for you. Time to install new spark plugs. Be careful and hand tighten them. Make sure not to cross thread. These plugs come pre-coated and pre-gapped from the factory, so nothing else is needed before installation. For this one, it helps to remove these connectors. Use the torque wrench to tighten to 18 Newton meters or 13 pound-feet. Repeat for all three. Then install the ignition coils and secure them with the nuts. I'm using new denser coils. If you want, you can add a little dielectric grease with each coil at the hole that goes over the plugs, but that's not necessary. Reconnect the wiring. Repeat for the front head. Moment of truth, starting the engine. Success! The engine is running normally. I can't feel any excessive vibration. Also, there are no errors displayed. Don't forget to reinstall the engine plastic cover. And that's it. May your vehicle not have any misfires after this. If this was helpful, like the video, leave your comments below, hit that subscribe and bell buttons for more videos just like this. Thank you for watching. Drive safe, use your turn signals, and remember, anything is possible with the right tools and motivation. See you next time!